was our mouth filled with laughter, on our tongues songs of joy. What great deeds the Lord worked for us, indeed we were glad. Then the nations themselves said, what great deeds the Lord worked for them. What great deeds the Lord worked for us. Indeed, we were glad. What great deeds the Lord worked for us. Indeed, we were glad. Bring back our exiles, O Lord, as streams in the south. Those who are sowing